Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So how you can use this kinds of filter in your Instagram and Snap. So watch this video till end. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So here we are. So now how you can use this kind of filter in your phone and in your Instagram and your Snap. So first of all you have to open your Snap application, and then you have to, here you will get this kind of filter. So how you will use this kind of filter? So first you want to do, here you will get the search option, and here you have to search here Hello Kitty. So this, here you will get lots of filter of kitty, and here you will get many filters that you can use, but the original and the trending filter is the second one. Here you have to use. Now this filter is working like this, and here you have to save this filter. Here you will get this kind of favorite filter, and here you will get to save. So I will tell you how you will get your save filter, your favorite filter. So here you have to scroll this filter. Here you will get favorite option, and here you will get your all favorite filters that you have saved. So like this you can use this kind of filter. So if you like this tutorial, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. You will get like this video in future.